Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Financial Impulse. In this video, we will be discussing about crude oil. So many people, including me, prefer trading crude oil than Nifty or Bank Nifty. Why? Mainly for three reasons. First of all, the trading hours are a lot more than in case of Nifty or Bank Nifty. So Nifty, Bank Nifty usually starts at 9:15 am and closes at 3:30 pm. So around 6.5 hours of trading time. But crude oil starts at 9 am in the morning and closes at 11:30 pm. So around 14 hours. So you have 14 hours of time to execute the trades, and whatever trades you place have a very high probability of getting completed in the same day itself. You don't have to wait if you are doing a swing trade. Okay. Second reason is that it is a lot more easier to make, let's say, 1000 rupees in crude oil than making in Nifty or Bank Nifty. And the third reason is that the chart is actually very smooth in comparison to Nifty or Bank Nifty. I mean, the chart of crude oil is smoother than Nifty. In Nifty, we get to see a lot of gap ups and gap downs, mainly because post market news and other changes in the economy. Okay, so that's why the charts are actually showing us the gap ups and gap downs. In the next day, we cannot predict where it will be. It will be either a huge gap up by 1% or 1.5%, or a gap down by same 1 or 1 minus 1.5%. So because of these reasons, the chart is never smooth there. That's why crude oil is actually preferred by a large audience. Okay, and it has a separate fan base itself. So in this video, I'll show you a simple trading strategy which you can use in sideways market, because in trending market it's obviously very easy. You can just take trade in the direction of the primary trend, but in sideways market it is little bit tricky and confusing, and many people end up in loss. So I'll show you the strategy for sideways market. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is crude oil in daily time frame, and you can see since first week of December itself, as you can see the date 1st December, it has been going in a sideways pattern. Okay, from here, then again here, and here, and again like this. So how can you trade such a price movement? So let me show you. So first of all, you have to mark the price levels at daily time frame. Okay, I have chosen these levels of support and resistance, seeing the price behavior only. Okay, and you can see the price is keeping this as resistance now, which was a support earlier. Okay, it broke from here and then again retraced from here, and it is now a resistance 2 times. Okay, so what we will do is we will first go to the lower time frame, that is the 4-hour time frame. So this is the same place, you can see, which was the lower side. Okay, and very easily you can spot that it is this big green candle in 4-hour time frame tells us that the strong presence of buyers in this level, around this level. So you can clearly see the strong buying levels here, and then what you can do is simply go to even lower time frame, let's say 2 hours. Okay, yes, when you go to 2 hours time frame, you can easily see the pattern changing. You can draw a trend line. Okay, and then use the support of 30 period moving average, and it has the support, and this will be your entry point. Let me mark, this will be your entry point. You can see this a small gap up here. Okay, so this is the entry point, and after the entry, let's measure how much it has gone up. So 4%. So 4% is a lot, it's a big move, and do not forget to take profits. Okay, in either the same day or maximum 1 day extra. Do not wait for a long time, like don't just expect the price to come from here and it will go smooth up to this level, this upper level, and then you will finally exit. No, it's a bad trading strategy. Never do that, because the price might show some swings here only in the middle itself. It might start swinging up and down, and then if it goes down little bit, you will end up in loss. The profit you have made from here to here will end up in loss, even if it moves slightly to this level. Okay, so never do that. Always take profit on time, right? Now again, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame, and you can see the price again taking some first it went down here, then again it has started going up from this level. Okay, but you cannot obviously immediately jump in until you are sure that it is going to start an uptrend. So for that, you can see that it has breached the 30 period moving average. Now first thing we will do is check the 50 period moving average, if it is taking support there. No, it is also not taking support there, but we can see another interesting thing is that it has a crossover here. So you can make an entry here only. Okay, you can go to the lower time frame, and once you go to the lower time frame, you can use different tools to measure where it is taking support. Let's say you are using the fib retracement. Okay, and you can see this price has taken support above the 0.618. Only then, after the confirmation, only you make an entry. Go to the lower time frame like 2 hours or even 1 hour, and then make an entry, and again you will get another big price move. Let's measure again around 5%. So this is a big move. As soon as it comes closer to the upper resistance level, you just exit before that only. Don't wait for it to touch. Okay, and do not be greedy at all, because it will put you at risk. Now again it has started downtrend. So how can you trade this level, this price movement also? So first thing, do not directly jump in here. So in order to predict a change of trend, you have to check in 4 hours at least. Do not check in 2 hours for trend trend change. Okay, so see, if I draw one trend line here connecting some of the points and use the 30 period moving average, you can clearly see it has started turning down from this point. And let's go to the 2 hours time frame to see if that gives us a clear picture. And yes, it does give us a clear picture. And if you use the 150 period moving average, okay, it's not needed here. This 30 period is already doing a good job. We can use the 50 period. Okay, you can see both the moving averages coming closer and again coming down. So the most important thing is to predict the change of trend only in 4 hours, and then make entry in shorter time frame. And from this level, you can use any levels, let's say pivot points or any the fib retracement tool. That also can help in predicting the change of trend, and again make entries here, and it will come down. Don't wait for it to go down directly here. Just if it goes 3 to 4%, you exit. Okay, and obviously you know that here is the level of support. Again it will start going up, but again you cannot enter just by just based on pure prediction. You have to wait for the confirmation by price action. Again you draw a trend line here like this. Same, again go to 2 hours, and you can clearly see the price is being supported here. And if you use the 50 period, it gives another clear picture. Again it's a 3 to 4% move. Okay, now again just hide this moving averages, and there is one more interesting pattern here, and this is the one. Okay, you can clearly draw one trend line like this connecting some of the points. And I will tell you one trend line drawing strategy which I have never read anywhere, but I have found it on my own experience. Okay, I will explain it in another video, why you should draw a trend line at a particular angle. Okay, I will explain that in another video. If I explain it here, it will be very long and complicated. Okay, that's why I am avoiding it right for the moment. Okay, and you can see again in 2 hours the trend is slowly changing. You should never jump in directly here seeing the gap down. Okay, because you know that just one day before it was in strong uptrend. Obviously it will not go down straight away. It will definitely, it might open in a gap down due to some certain news or anything, but again the price will be pushed up. Okay, the trend changes are actually slow. It does not happen just in one day. It will not directly go from downtrend to uptrend or uptrend to downtrend. It never happens. It is a even if it happens with a gap down, it's a temporary move. It will again recover and go in the initial trend direction. Okay, and now coming to this part here, I can clearly see one easy trend line like this. Okay, so wait for the price to break this level with a big candle, and then again make an entry. The main part is waiting. Okay, you don't have to jump in early. and do not make early entries because it will lead to loss. You will think that the trend is going in the wrong direction, I am in the wrong directions, and you will exit, but again it will just after one day it will start going in the direction that you had predicted. You just had to wait a little more. Okay, so this is another one. And finally this downtrend. Let me remove all these drawings. This is the most interesting one because I can clearly see one head and shoulders pattern. Okay, let me first draw. This is the most recent one. Here is the head and shoulders. Head, shoulder, shoulder, head, and again another shoulder, and the break of the head has directly pulled the price down. Okay, and this is also a big move. Let's try to measure how much it has moved from here. Around 2.5 to 3%. It will definitely go down. It is just taking a break, and people will some people would like to exit at this place, and it is okay because it might go like this little bit for a while, and as soon as it takes the support of 30 period moving average, again it will start coming down to almost 6,000 maybe, but it's okay to take profit at this level. And if it shows some sideways movement, you can draw a trend line here and wait for the price to touch the 30 period moving average and break it, and then make an entry at smaller time frame. Okay, that is also another good strategy. So in this process you will actually book the profit in this big move, and then the other move from here to here will be extra. Okay, it will be a bonus. So so that is all for crude oil trading strategy. I hope it was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such informative videos, and you can also check the other videos in my playlist. Thank you, and I will meet you in the next one. Take care.